Hi guys!
Hi. This is my mommy. Say hi, mommy.
Hi!
Say hi, Raina.
Hi, Raina. Okay, anything else? Can, can I talk now?
Sure.
Sure. Okay. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, Ava is super excited about what we're going to be doing today. So earlier this week, she was watching YouTube. She's watching children's YouTube, and one of her cartoons had pink popcorn. So Ava asked me, can we make pink popcorn? So why not? I felt like in the spirit of Valentine's Day being right around the corner, it'll be a cute little activity that we can do in the house. And well, I live in South Florida. It's a little chilly right now, but you know, for my people who live up north and it's like freezing cold outside and snowing, this is a cute little project you can do with your little ones as well. And it doesn't take much. All you need is popcorn, a bag of popcorn. You want to take that from me, Ava? Are you going to help me today? Okay. You're going to need some butter. We have some sugar here. This might be heavy for you. Whoa. And then we're going to decorate our popcorn. So I went out and show them what we got. We got, show it this way, some white chocolate chips. You are going to need food coloring, of course. And then I'm going to use these 2 piping bags for my chocolate. Oh, and what else? And I had some sprinkles already, so we're going to use this bag of sprinkles. Of course, if you are doing this for Valentine's Day, it'll be ideal to find a bag of some sprinkles that are like maybe pink, red, white. I couldn't find any of those in the store, and I already had these, so I'm just going to use these for today. For those of you who are new here, welcome. My name is Candace, and I post videos on motherhood, lifestyle, beauty, and I also do some vlogging. If that sounds like your jam, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you never miss an upload. We're going to go ahead and get our hands washed and jump right into this tutorial. We'll be right back. Alright, so first thing you want to do is get your bag of popcorn and go ahead, open that and pop it in the microwave. Can you take this to the trash for me? Thank you. All right, so now that you've got your popcorn popped, you just want to take this bag. You can set it to the side for now. We're going to end up putting that in like a large bowl so we can mix everything. So get you like a nice size pot so you can put all your ingredients inside. Are you going to help me with this? So now we need 2 cups of sugar. Ooh. Okay. You need some butter. Go ahead and throw that in there. I'm going to get you some more sugar because we need 2 cups. Ew. Nasty. Thank God we washed our hands first, and this is really for her to eat. So, okay. And then we need a ½ cup of water. Yes, ma'am. Oh, you spilled all the water out just about. Let me just put a little more.
No.
Okay. Okay. Now, this part Ava's not going to be able to help me with. I need to go ahead over to the stove and get this cooking. So, don't forget to put in your food coloring. Just kind of whisk it in there like that. Oh, that's a cute, pretty pink color. Alright, so while your sugar mixture is cooking, you can go ahead and open up that bag of popcorn and pour it in a bowl. Don't pour it in. Can I help you? Okay, alright, alright. But once your sugar mixture is done, okay, last one. Now step aside for a second. I don't want you to it's too hot, okay? You just pour it right over your popcorn. Ooh. And mix it up. Maybe you should have got a bigger bowl But whatever, we're gonna make it work. Whatever comes out,
Oh no, my
I'll let her eat it.
Oh no, my popcorn.
So definitely, if you're gonna try this, get a larger bowl, just so you can like really, you know, mix it good without. Hold on, baby. Without the popcorn spilling out. And let me just put the last little bit in there.
Yeah, do it.
So you need some parchment paper too, and some sheet for it to dry on. So let's see. Let me go get something. Okay, so I don't have a cookie pan, so I'm gonna just use these 2 pizza pans that I have. I'm grabbing 2 in case one is not big enough, and I'm just gonna put the parchment paper right on top of the cookie sheet, right on top of the pizza pans. You help me, okay? It's very hot. And we just want to pour it out so that it can dry, because obviously it's the mixture's wet and it's hot, so you need to let it cool down and dry. Okay.
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Mommy.
It's really good, huh? Alright, so while this is cooling down, I'm going to go ahead and grab my white chocolate chips and melt this in a bowl. I'm just going to stick it in the microwave and put it in these, oh my gosh, piping bags so that I can give this a little extra oomph. Hopefully I can do it before Ava eats it all, and then we'll be right back. Alright, so we have melted our chocolate. We have some white chocolate, and then we also put some of that pink food coloring in here too. So all you're going to do is, let's see what we want to do here, Ava. Cut the tip off. Just a little tiny part. You want to squeeze it? Want to help me? Squeeze it. Ooh, girl. Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay. You like that? Alright, so luckily we have come to the end of this video because little Miss Raina was starting to get fussy. As you can see, Ava is just filling up these little cupcake holders with the popcorn. I just kind of had that on hand, so that's what we're going to use to put them in. But let me give these a try because I told you I had never done this before. I had never tasted it before. Let's see. Okay. It's sweet, buttery, salty. The chocolate was a nice little addition too. So it's good. A little too sweet for my taste because I don't like things overly sweet, but it's great for a kid's party and it's super cute. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it to be helpful. Leave a comment below if you decide to give it a try, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
See you later.
Bye.